हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ अकरम और ये सारे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं। आज सैटरडे एक्टिविटीज़ है। इवनिंग वाले सेशन में तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट आज नहीं आए हैं, लेकिन जो आए हैं उनके साथ एक्टिविटीज़ हो रही हैं। और सबसे पहले आज के इस सेशन में मैं शुरू करना चाहूँगा हुसैन एंड जैद के साथ। जैद, कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ?
My name is Zaid, and recently I passed 10th from Jackboard
Okay.
in St. John's School.
Okay, why did you join English period?
I joined English period because my English conversation is very poor,
Okay.
and
Okay, it's been almost 4 to 5 official classes
yes, sir.
with respect to learning.
Yes.
Have you learned anything at English period?
I learned preposition and verb and mm, pronunciation.
Okay, what was the last topic of yours?
The last topic is
Is
what?
or was?
The last topic was uh,
Phrasal verbs.
phrasal verbs.
Okay, can you tell me any phrasal verb with get? I taught you not less than 8 or 9 phrasal verbs with get. Can you tell me at least 1 to 2?
It was get by,
Get by. Okay, what is the meaning of get by?
to manage our difficulty.
To manage with difficulty. Okay, मतलब गुजारा करना, काम चलाना.
Yes.
Can you try one example?
The phone was old and
I had to get by.
I had to get by.
Very good. Apart from that, was there any phrasal verb in the session that I taught you?
So,
What is the meaning of get on?
the get on meaning of
Can you speak loudly?
yes, sir.
Yeah, please speak.
Sir,
किसी सवारी पे चढ़ रहे हैं तो उसके लिए क्या होगा?
sir, get on.
और उतर रहे हैं तो
Got
गेट ऑफ.
get off.
मैं 5 बजे बस पे चढ़ा.
I get on in 5 p.m.
I get on या got on?
I got on.
Because you are talking about the past tense. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you transfer your mic to Hussein? Yeah, Hussein, can you tell me something about yourself?
Well, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Hussein. I'm from Giridih.
Sonam, tell me, why should we make a habit of facing the camera frequently?
To be honest, I think that uh, by f- by frequently recording ourselves, we can see that how we speak, how our sentence structure, and our body language, everything, and we can also able to see that how our level was and what is the difference have since you started recording yourself, like I'm also doing it, and I think I have improved. When you see that yourself in past and in the present, there is a very vast difference in the body language, gesture, and personality, and I think everybody should record themselves when they speak. Take any topic and start recording yourself and then see again, and if there is you think that you improvement, read uh, and then record yourself again, you can able to see the difference.
Okay, very good. Now there is another question. I say I like playing cricket, and the other statement is there is nothing I like better than playing cricket. What is the difference between these two sentences?
uh, there is a difference like
There is the difference of level.
there is a difference of level,
Yeah.
like when you say I like nothing better than playing cricket, you are telling the uh, other person that there is nothing I like better than playing cricket. It means literally nothing, it's only cricket. And when you say I like cricket, you are just saying yeah I like it. You can say I like it tennis, it doesn't showing that you are highly interested on that one sports. But when you say that I like nothing better than English, uh, cricket, sorry. Then you are saying, yeah, this is the only thing I like. And
Very good. What is special about Saturday activities session? What is special about this session?
uh, Saturday activity is very important for every person who is learning a language, I think. uh, uh, it will help you to improve your communication skill in front of any person, even you know that person or not know. And the apart from that, you can express your ideas on your uh,
Effectively,
effectively,
efficiently.
efficiently.
Okay.
And you can
Okay, very good. How is your mood today?
okay,
Okay.
my mood
Now,
is good.
can you transfer your mic? Yeah, Smita,
Yes, sir.
how is everything?
Good, sir.
Okay, can you tell me why we should attend activities session?
Sir, we should attend every activity classes, because when we faced everyone, we know how to speak English, and how to improve in yourself.
Okay, have you made any improvement since you joined?
Yes, sir. Uh, before I came,
Earlier, earlier.
earlier,
Hmm.
when I came here. Uh, Before, I am not able to speak English.
Okay, I was not able to. Very good.
I understand, but not able to speak.
And I think this is a common problem.
Yes,
A
sir.
lot of people understand, but they are not able to speak.
Yes. But
Okay.
when I came here, and uh, you teach us,
Okay, what do you love the most? Grammar part, vocabulary, fluency, coherence, or pronunciation?
sir, I loved. I learned so many things, but I loved intense
Tenses, okay. Which one is your favorite tense?
past tense.
पास्ट टेंस ओके मैं आया क्लास में एंट्री किया और पढ़ाना शुरू किया ये सीरीज ऑफ एक्शन है सीरीज ऑफ
Affection.
हाँ कैसे बोल सकते हैं इसको
सर क्या वर्ड बोले?
मैं इंस्टीट्यूट पे आया क्लास में एंट्री किया और पढ़ाना शुरू किया
I came institute.
टू द इंस्टीट्यूट ठीक है
I came to the institute, and
एंड नहीं लगा ना एंड लास्ट एक्शन
I came to the institute, enter this classroom, and
started
started
teaching
teaching.
have you learned any words as well okay no problem I will edit this part okay thanks for joining okay very good now you can go now Ritesh and इधर देख लो भाई रितेश एंड या प्लीज कम इन देखो रितेश भी एक ऐसा लड़का है जो कि पहले क्लास में था बिल्कुल ही अनजाना सा अनदेखा सा लेकिन सेकंड क्लास में थर्ड क्लास में थोड़ा सा ही वाज एबल टू स्पीक अ लॉट हैव यू लर्नड एनीथिंग
Yes,
व्हाट वाज
sir.
द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ योर्स
Our class last topic is preposition.
फ्रेजल वर्ब ना
A phrasal verb.
कैन यू टेल मी एनी फ्रेजल वर्ब
Phrasal verb means
वर्ब प्लस preposition
preposition. So
there were many phrasal verbs with get around, get
Get.
across, get along, get through, get into, get by, get over,
yes,
many more. Can you get on, get off? Can you explain two or
I
three?
explain on get on.
Get on. What is the meaning of get on?
I got on the bus on 8 p.m.
8 p.m. Very good.
and I got off the 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Get on का मतलब उतरना, get up
Yeah,
मतलब चढ़ना. Okay, very good. What would you like to say about these students? Are they serious learners?
Yes, sir. All students are.
Who inspired you a lot today?
I were inspired on Jack.
Okay, Zach. Zed.
Yes, sir. Jack.
What is
Sorry.
special about him? Like, why do you like Zed speaking in front of everyone?
I like Jack is very confident boy and everybody in a faces.
उस-
Class activities learn from any
Other people. Okay,
other
very good.
people.
देखो, आई कैन सी वन थिंग, आई कैन ऑब्जर्व वन थिंग। आप ना कैमरा के सामने थोड़ा सा नेचुरल टोन में नहीं हो क्या?
Yeah.
यार, प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
My name is Riya Gupta. I am from Grady district, but
किससे
currently,
बात कर रही हो? हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू।
hello everybody. My name is Riya Gupta. I am from Grady district, but currently I live in Dangratoli, and currently I am pursuing BPT in Jharkhand Rai University.
Okay, when did you plan to do a speaking course and why?
After coming Rachi, I planned to speaking course because my speaking is not good.
Okay, are you learning something new every day?
Yes, sir.
What are you learning these days?
Sir, every day I learn new things.
Okay, yeah, I see most of the times I see you commenting on my post, especially on YouTube video. Why do you comment every time? Is this a kind of practice? What is the main driving force within you?
Yes, sir. After comment, uh, I learn new thing.
Why do you make examples frequently? Even though I have 50 plus students at English period, but I see only 2 or 3 people are commenting. ये कंप्लेंट है मेरा, इसलिए मैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में बोल रहा हूँ। सो आप उसमें से 1-2 हो जो कि आप कमेंट करती हो। क्या है मोटिवेशन, क्या मतलब कमेंट क्यों करती हो आप?
सीखना सर.
You want to learn?
Yes, sir. I want to
Okay,
learn.
okay, very good. Okay, is this your first activity session?
No, sir.
Would you like to say something about the activity session?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Activity session is most important for us
Mhm.
because we learn many things, and we can observe himself. We can observe our level,
Okay.
and we know how we speak in front of people.
Okay. There are many things that are taught here: grammar, lexical resources, fluency, coherence, pronunciation. Which one is your favorite part?
My favorite part is grammar, pronunciation.
Can you tell me any role of pronunciation?
Yes, sir. Pronunciation help us in influency.
Okay, I am asking the rule, any rule.
Yes, sir.
Pronunciation tips में से कोई एक रूल बताओ।
Yes, sir. If consonant vowels
CV is okay.
continue in a word, then we
Pronounce the second sound as can you give me any example? Medicine या medicine,
medicine,
family या family,
family,
relative या relative.
relative,
Okay, positive या positive.
positive,
Can you try some more examples on your own?
negative,
Negative, very good. मैंने दान किया, दान का इंग्लिश में क्या होगा?
contribute,
चाय।
charity,
ओके, वेरी गुड। बात में सफाई हो तो
clarity,
ओके, जो काम कर सकते हैं फीजिबल या फीजिबल,
feasible,
ये काम संभव है, क्या होगा इसका इंग्लिश?
possible,
पॉसिबल, वेरी गुड। और अगर मैं बोलूं मुझे चॉकलेट खा रहा हूँ, क्या सही है?
no sir,
चॉकलेट।
Chop.
ब्रोकली काट रहा हूँ, सही है?
No sir, properly,
ब्रोकली। प्रॉपरली या प्रॉपरली?
properly,
Atul,
Yes, sir.
are you learning something?
Yes, sir.
What are you learning?
Sir, this last class, phrasal verb.
Phrasal verbs. Okay, what is phrasal verb?
Verb plus preposition.
Verb plus preposition. Can you give me any relevant example?
Example: get on and get off,
Get on, get up. इसके अलावा भी कुछ और?
and get into.
Get into का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of get
मतलब
into?
किसी परेशानी से
पड़ जाना, ठीक है। जैसे कि मैं परेशानी में पड़ गया हूँ। I have got into
I got into
problems.
problems.
Very good. Do you like anything at English period? Students, environment, activities. Is there anything that you
Yes,
like?
sir. I like Seiko.
शिकू, ओके। शिकू भाई क्या इतना कम टाइम में इतना ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस कर दिया है। लोड बढ़ते जा रहा है, आपको मिठाई ज़्यादा लेना पड़ेगा ना। ठीक है। व्हाट डू यू लाइक अबाउट हिम? क्लासमेट है इसलिए क्या?
No, sir,
हाँ।
but he confidence.
देखो तुमको धोखा दे दिया, तुम उसके पुराने साथी हो ना। कॉन्फिडेंस, ओके।
Yeah, sir.
टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट इंग्लिश पीरियड।
Yeah, well,
इंग्लिश पीरियड क्या है? क्या पढ़ाया जाता है? क्या सिखाया जाता है?
first of all, once upon a time I was traveling, so I'm not.
चलो मैं हिंट कर रहा हूँ, पूरा पास्ट में बोले। एक बार मैं ट्रेवल करता आवाज आएगा। आई वाज नॉट ना।
Yeah, I was not traveling.
वंस अपॉन अ टाइम आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग, देन आई वाज नॉट ट्रैवलिंग। क्या है ये?
Once upon a time I was traveling.
हाँ।
So some people are discussing to each other,
ओके।
and I joined, but I'm not.
तो क्या ये लग गया था क्या कि कुछ लोग जो है डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो मुझे भी आना चाहिए?
Yes,
यही रियली में?
yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है। सो घर गए तो व्हाट डिड यू थिंक कि जल्दी ज्वाइन
I-
करना चाहिए?
Yes, I joined.
चलो ठीक है। टेल मी वन थिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम हुसैन, एक्सेप्ट हुसैन, हु इज योर फेवरेट बडी एट इंग्लिश पीरियड?
Abhijit Bhaiya.
अभिजीत ब्रदर, ओके। व्हाट इज स्पेशल अबाउट हिम?
Who always advised me
Advisors, in what? Well, regarding what? Career, education.
regarding his English period, English vocab and grammar.
Okay, very good. What would you like to say about today's session? You have been observing a lot of people speaking in front of you. Who inspired you a lot and how?
First of all, I inspired Chiku Bhaiya.
He inspired you or you inspired him?
I inspired him.
तुमने इंस्पायर किया?
No,
He
you
inspired.
inspired me. Sorry, sir.
Okay. How did he inspire? Like in what way?
Uh, he speak confident and
Confidently. Okay.
these boys are great.
This कहाँ से हो जाएगा? That होगा ना?
Sorry, that boys are great.
Boys are great. एक ही है
Boys
ना?
great.
एक ही पीस है. Boys
Boys
great.
is great.
Vishal, what would you like to say about today's session? How was your overall experience?
Today activity session was great, sir, because we all a student have come.
Very good. देखो, this is a kind of feedback. पहले बोला कैसा था और उसको थोड़ा सा खोला भी. This is a kind of feedback. I like it. Yeah. What is your view on the same?
It's amazing, sir.
It was amazing. Overall हो गया ना? उसका हेलो explain कैसे था amazing? जैसे ये किया. हाँ, हर चीज को बैंटर मत लिया करो ना, सीरियसली होगा। अच्छा था, कैसे था? मतलब कैसे था अच्छा?
It was amazing because some new faces are come and express well.
वेरी गुड, यस।
So today's session is
टुडे सेशन वाज, जो बीत चुका है ना, वाज
today's session was overall good, sir, and all the student were express his nice.
देयर आइडियाज एंड एवरीथिंग। वेरी गुड, या। स्मिता, या।
Today's session was amazing, sir, because I listened.
टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल।
Yes, sir, lot of people, and
वेरी गुड, या।
Today's session was fantastic because we have to see many faces which come to the first time in this class. Basically, we talk about the first person, which I don't know her name. I don't know his name, but he's like a. In first class, we saw him. He talk. He is not talking like he talked to.
Okay, very good. Yeah, Zaid, what would you like to say?
It was a good, sir. I met everyone, and everyone is good to listen and conversation skills.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Rohit?
Today,
Today's
session is good.
session was.
Today's session was good.
Did you observe something? ठीक है, very good. Yeah. Sonam, please.
Today's session was overall good, and I think I learned something.
Okay. Would you like to have more sessions?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah.
Today's session was awesome. I saw so many new faces. All tried their as much as they can, and few have more fluency. Few are confident. Few are like Sonam have their his her accent was excellent.
Yes.
and,
Yeah.
and that guy in fluorescent was trying his best and assured me that he will do better in the next class. So overall, it was an exciting class.
Very
all.
good.
Today's session was good, sir, because all the students are trying to speak.
Very good. Yes.
Yes, sir. Today's session was best, in which we are participate each other